Hi Himleta. So in about 30 seconds, brief me about yourself.
I'm driving the change management along with the process excellence for automobile industry, so basically engine control units, and I'm a project manager for Center of Excellence for Process.
So 1 year from now, aspirationally from career perspective, what do you really want to be doing?
I would be leading as a product owner, making decisions, taking the customer-centric approach and being able to deliver customer-friendly products which is used by thousands of people.
Yeah, so product role is your goals. Okay. So what was your motivation to choose Executive MBA in Institute of Product Leadership? For example, I'll give you options. We have one-on-one mentoring here. We have AI-led, driven product management approach. We have peer learning. So, what was your motivation?
Learning by doing.
Learning by doing.
Yes.
Okay, that's great.
Because learning is available everywhere, but learning by doing is what was a unique factor.
Yeah. Thanks, Himleta. Welcome on board.